Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to create a nutrition quiz using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. To create our nutrition quiz, I have already created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress websites to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick disposable WordPress website in no time. So let's get started. I have already installed the QSM plugin on my website. To see how to install the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Alright, so let's start by creating the quiz. Okay, so for the first step is to hover over on QSM and then click on Quizzes or Surveys. And then once you've clicked on Create a Quiz or Survey, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM has a collection of stunning themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click on Next. And for the last step is once you're on the quiz setting, we get an option for the initial setup of our quiz. Let's set a name for the quiz and select what kind of form we are using. Time limit. You can set a timer to your form. You could also select if you want only logged in users to be able to fill the form. Let's not do that for a time being. Now comes the add-on section, where we get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Currently, we don't need any add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. Here comes the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for the nutrition quiz. Let's enter the questions for our quiz. Alright, so let's start with the first one to know about the user's knowledge of nutrition. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose a type of question and answer from the drop-down. I am taking the multiple choice type question here for all the questions and writing 3 answer choices. You can also give the points for the respective answers. For now, I am selecting the correct and incorrect answer to show you the results. And if you want, you can mark the question as required, so this question can't be skipped. Then click on Save Question. Since our first question is saved, let's click on Create a Second Page question at the bottom of the Questions tab. Let's create the second page with a question. For this question also, we will be selecting the multiple choice type question and writing answer choices with respective points. Now, I'm creating a third page question and repeating the same process. And then click on Save Question. Now let's create the last page question and repeating the process. Save the question. Now all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field. Let's select the field type as a small open answer and label it as Name. Let's select the Use For section and select Name there. Let's add another contact field to take the respective date. And let's select the field type as Date and label it as Date. Let's select the Use For section and select Business there. And then click on the Save Contact field. Now, since our question for the quiz is set and the contact field is configured to collect the user details, let's set our final result page for the quiz as per this score. So, go to the Result Pages tab. Here, you can set conditions as per you when this page should be shown. Now, after setting the conditions, we have to design the final result page that we have to show people. So, enter the message and take different variables from these templates. I am taking the username, point score, and average score of these 3 variables to put in my message. To beautify my result page, I'm uploading the image at the very end of my messages, as you can see here. Let's preview our nutrition quiz by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created the nutrition quiz successfully with all the separate 3 pages and 2 questions on each page. And it's working just fine. Also, you can see the timer running on the rightmost bottom of the page. And that's all for this tutorial. Stay tuned for new tutorials. Until next time, bye-bye and stay safe.